quarter, the Margot Elena box sells out, so it really wasn't a surprise to me that the winter box did sell out. But what shocked me is the fact that it sold out in less than a week. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today where we do lots of unboxings over here. Today we're going to be taking a look at my Margot Elena subscription box for winter 2024. And you heard me correctly, this box is currently sold out. And I tell you guys every time I do this unboxing that it will sell out. However, I had no idea they were going to sell out that quickly. Usually we have a few weeks. So when I show you my video, I'm like, yes, you definitely want to order right away, but you know, you've got a little bit of time. That wasn't the case with this box. This box literally launched and a week later, it was already all gone. So I was genuinely shocked. But then, like I said, it's also to be expected because this box is really popular. So if you guys are interested in this subscription box, I'm going to be showing you the winter 2024 box. However, they do have pre-orders open for their next box, which is the spring 25. That box should be shipping sometime in March. Usually it's at the beginning part of March. So if you order using my link down below, you guys will be guaranteed a spring box. And the only way to guarantee that is to definitely order ahead of time. So if you love this, definitely order right away because who knows, it could go in no time. So this is what it looks like inside of my winter box. Beautiful as ever. I mean, every time I get this box, it is just gorgeous. The presentation is so much better than a lot of other boxes out there. I mean, it's really pretty. Now we do receive a card in here that will tell you about the products that you're going to receive in your box. Inside of our winter box, we have 8 different items. The total retail value is $204.50 if you were to buy all 8 items on their website individually. However, if you guys buy the subscription box, it's only $60 a quarter. I just want to show you what it looks like down below as well. So all I did was remove the top layer of bubble wrap, and now you're going to see all of your products are individually wrapped. I think part of the appeal as to why this sold out so quickly is because it's a great gifting option. And in the winter season, I think everybody sees this and goes, hey, 60 bucks for all of those items. This is a great present to just give to somebody, which I agree. I've said that for a long time. This makes an excellent gift. If you need a wedding gift, a bridal gift, a housewarming present, thinking of you, this will work for a lot of different occasions. That's my hunch as to why it sold out so quickly, but who knows? Maybe this box is really amazing too. So the first item inside of my box is a full-size hand cream from Archive. Now, Archive is under the umbrella of Margot Elena. So you're gonna notice today that there are several different brands, but Margot Elena is that parent company. So this one is called Yet to Be Written, and it is going to feature grapefruit and citrus scents. So it's supposed to be an energizing hand cream because of those notes. So 4 ounces, like I said, it is a full-size product. What's nice about these tubes, I always like these tubes, is because you can roll the product down and get every last drop out of these. So this does last a while, and I will say I've started to give these as gifts because I've accumulated quite a few of them, but they are really nice hand creams that do give you a great scent, but are still very hydrating. So for example, this product retails for $24 on the Margot Elena website. So you can buy this product for $24, or you get it in a subscription box for $60. Let's go with this one next. So we're gonna open up this little bundle here. I will say, just as another point too on Margot Elena and how great they are, I love their customer service team because they're very helpful whenever I've needed any assistance. But every time my products come in, they're bubble wrapped, they're wrapped really well. I feel like I've only had one time where something came in damaged, and unfortunately it was a perfume that spilled over everything, but their customer service team was so helpful. They reached back to me immediately. They were able to send me a new box. They apologized, and I'm like, you know, it was shipping. Like, it's not their fault, but they're very good. Even outside of the products, I definitely like this brand a lot. They're very easy to work with if there is an issue. So my next item that I have here is a candle. This smells really good. I can smell it already. It's Winter Pine and Balsam, and this is in set number 12, which is Snow Falling. So this is going to be a tin jar, and it's got beautiful packaging on here, which I expect nothing less from these guys. The size on here is 3 ounces, and then it's got a cotton wick inside of this. Now, it definitely smells like pine and balsam. I mean, this is definitely the winter feels. It smells amazing, and this is just the cold throw. I mean, imagine it burning, it's gonna smell even better. There's something about good pine scents though in winter that they're just perfect. I don't necessarily want to smell pine like all year round, but in wintertime, it's so good. The next item that I have here is from Lalia. This is beautiful. Look at all these little honeybees on here. Aren't they cute? So this one is going to be their Wish Scented Fine Bathing Salts. So this will be your bath salts, and it says that this is going to feature sea salt inside of it, vanilla bean, and rice flour. There's also going to be a touch of sugar as well. So this one's gonna leave your skin feeling soft, you're gonna smell good, but salts are also great at relieving aches and pains. So if you do have some really sore muscles, if you're tired or fatigued, anything like that, these should help alleviate some of the pain as well. So inside of this jar, you're gonna see your salts here. They do smell good. It does smell like a vanilla sugar mix with a touch of flowers. Like it smells really clean and fresh. The size on here is 7.5 ounces as well. I feel like you could do more than one bath with that. That's just me. I feel like I could do more than one, but maybe not. Maybe that would be a single sitting on there as well, but regardless, it does smell really good. So at least we're gonna smell nice. We're gonna move on to this present next. I'm guessing this is the shower gel that we have here. So inside we have, yes, a shower gel from Library of Flowers. Oh my gosh, you guys, the dyslexia is coming out today. This is Library of Flowers. It is their true vanilla scented shower gel. Look at that packaging again. Is that not exquisite? So this one is going to be 8 ounces. So it is a full-size product. And I love that they always package it separately, just in case if it does leak. They put it in its own little package so it doesn't ruin all the rest of your items in there. So this one, True Vanilla Scent. Yeah, it does. It's very neutral. It just smells like a clean vanilla scent. It's not too strong either. It's very neutral. I mean, it's vanilla. It's kind of hard to describe vanilla. You just kind of have to know what vanilla smells like. Ooh, what is this? Bottle opener. This is pretty. And I'll take anything that's gold. So this is our next item in here. It says this is perfect for opening up a relaxing Margot Elena bubble bath or your favorite bottle of wine. No matter your mood, unwind from the day with some precious Margot Elena time and a little help from this bottle opener. Oh, it's cute. I do feel like, again, gift worthy. Look at how gold it is. I mean, what is it with gold, you guys? I'm obsessed with gold products. There's just something about this that just says it's fancy and it looks nice, and I just love the way that it looks, you guys. So this product, if you were going to go online and purchase this one, they state that it is a new product that they're carrying and it's $20 to buy it. But like I said, it's designed to open up their bubble baths that they now feature on the website, which I may have a bubble bath in here. Maybe. I mean, that would be nice if they would include one. So every quarter you will receive a bottle of fragrance from Margot Elena. It will vary with scent and it's going to vary with which brand they go with, but you're always going to receive a perfume bottle in here. So this one for winter is from Tokyo Milk. It's number 87 and the scent notes are citrus, water lily, and frankincense on here. So this is a full-size bottle of perfume. And then this is what it will look like here. It's supposed to give you kind of that like apothecary vibe. So it looks like you've trapped a unicorn inside of your bottle or something like that. Now this scent is called Star-Crossed. Man, I don't really get any citrus. It's a very strong water lily scent like they mentioned. It's good, but I'm not getting citrus out of this. Maybe it's just me. I'm not sure if I'm just not picking it up, but I swear it's just, I smell the frankincense, I smell the lily in there as well. So it is a stronger perfume, which I will say, it's strong on the initial spray, but then it does fade throughout the day. So I like that it's actually stronger because then it will last longer for you to wear. But I really don't get any of the citrus notes in there, but maybe that's just me. Usually this perfume will come very close to paying for the whole box. So in this case, this bottle of perfume is $48 to purchase. So Again, you can pay $60 for the entire subscription, or you can buy one bottle of perfume for $50. The next item that I have is really heavy. This feels like, let's go with a body butter. That's my guess, is that this is a body butter in here, which I will take considering it's winter. I don't know about you guys, but my skin has been so dry lately. I have humidifiers going, I'm doing all of my skincare routine, and it's like my skin just cannot keep up with the dry air. So this product is from Lalia, and it is their body butter. This one is scent number 25, which is white tea and honeysuckle. This features cocoa butter inside of it, so it will give you that hydration. Now, I typically will put this on at night. I just put it by my nightstand, and it's great to put on like your elbows or your legs if you've got any really dry patches. So this is what the jar will look like. It's an all glass jar. Beautiful presentation. This is a full-size jar at 5.5 ounces. And then this is what your body butter will look like. So it's very thick, and personally, I like it that way because you're gonna get really intense hydration, but it's a thick, creamy body butter. I don't feel like this is ever sticky or oily. It does take it a minute to dry down, but outside of that, I don't ever feel like it leaves a residue behind or anything, but it does smell really good too. So your skin will smell soft. No, it will feel soft and smell good after using it. This one smells like lotion. It's a very neutral scent. It just smells like a clean, powder, fresh lotion scent. And last up, we are gonna have 3 different greeting cards inside of our box as well. This is just one of the things that Margot Elena does every quarter. They will always include 3 greeting cards for you. So I always think they're super cute. I love getting these in my box, and then I definitely use them and send them out to people. They're cool in this kind of like retro way. So the first one here says, "Hey man, you are too cool for words. Happy B-Day." So we've got some penguins, and you can actually see that he has a bow tie on, so he is way too cool. The next one that we have says Happy V-Day on it, and we've got a couple of birds. I love these cards. The last one says, "It slowly began to occur to them that the bottle of bourbon was empty and that grandfather had passed out long ago." So poor grandfather, he's already asleep after the long evening. So these are the 3 different cards that are included inside of this box. Then they do change up every season as well, so you do have some different cards, but they also come with the matching envelope as well. So that is everything inside of the sold out Margot Elena winter box. Again, if you guys liked what you saw today, I would highly recommend you order now. You will need to wait till it ships, which I believe it's shipping the first part of March, but at least you would be guaranteed this subscription box. So again, if you're interested, I have a link down below. I also have a discount code as well, so that will save you some money off of your first box. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. And if it is Margot Elena, I'll make sure to get this one up before it sells out. Like, you're not gonna beat me this time, you guys. Have a great rest of your day, you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!